just want to send out a huge personal thank you from me to each and every one of you that took part in the Reset Challenge over the last 10 days. It's the first time I've done this kind of challenge to kickstart the new year, and one I'm definitely going to do every single year. It's been incredible, not only for you guys, but for myself as well, to just get up every morning, work out, move my body, and stretch and feel good. There's been hundreds of people from all over the world join in this challenge, whether it's been on YouTube or via the Academy. You've all completely smashed it. Don't forget, guys, that I do have the Chloe Bruce Academy, which is a members platform that starts at $19.99 a month, and I have over 200 on-demand videos there for you to join in on, and you can train 24/7 in your own time from the comfort of your own home. So please feel free to join me there, guys, if you want to continue training with myself. If not, I'll catch you for Reset 2.0 next year. Keep tabs on all my social media for further courses running throughout 2023, and I'll catch you all soon. Goodbye, guys, and thank you so much.